Hey, glad to see you. Welcome to the new Modders Inc. studio. That's right, man. We've been working on this for at least like 2-3 hours. Got this nice fancy table here. Nice plastic. Can't go wrong with that. Take a little walk around the studio. This way over here. Yep, this is one side of it. We'll take a walk over to the other side. It's about as far as I can go that way. Shelves back here that you can't see. So we've got things pretty well planned out, but we're going to make it better. We're going to keep continuing working on it and give you guys all the great videos like we normally do. Probably what we'll do every once in a while is maybe grab some stuff off the shelf and take a look at it, because I've got stuff that's older than most of you people out there. Like this book, right? This is an awesome book about a power supply. It's so awesome that I put it up and keep it on my shelf. It's just that great. Oh, remember this? Look at this. This is an ECS motherboard. Yes, that's right. Purple. It's purple. That's when they weren't afraid to make motherboards that were different colors than black. Oh, wait a minute. An off black. Oh, wait, and gloss black. Purple, right? Right on. That's back in the good old days. Back here looks like we've got an old NVIDIA card. Yeah, it's an XFX 8800 GTS. Pretty cool card back then. You can kind of see the styling and the design of even what the new video cards look like from NVIDIA. Something I got back here, right? A Sapphire Ultimate. This thing back then was just phenomenal. I mean, look at the box that it came in. It was all clear box. You can see all the goodness of this video card. It had a copper heatsink for the fan, right? Nobody had that. Copper heatsinks on top of the video card. The other thing that a lot of people didn't have was 256 megabytes of RAM for the card. Unbelievable. Unbelievable at that time. Oh, yeah. And you got a free Just Cause game that came with it. Not only that, but it came with 3,000 billion, no, only 36 pixel shaders. But this is the kind of stuff that I have actually lying around still in boxes. You can't see the other part of the studio, but there's probably about 15 boxes full of cases that may be or may not even be open yet. But you know what we're going to try and do is trying to keep up with the good videos, trying to make stuff a little different. Maybe I'll just do some editorials, and maybe I'll do some reviews. We're going to also do some more modding stuff. Actually going to walk out and do some stuff in the shop and bring you guys on maybe a couple of trips on, hey, I'm going to take this case and we're going to mod it from point A to point Z and show you some stuff and probably some modding tips along the way. Just a different avenue, just trying to make things a little different around here. You know, if it's the same thing over and over again, it gets kind of stale. You know, come watch us. Don't watch those other guys. Don't. You know, who needs those guys? You need us. We're like you. We're like you. So thanks for watching. Go check out moddersinc.com. Go check our Amazon store that's linked down in the bottom. Also with all the other links that we have there. You know, we do this because we really like to do it. I wouldn't be doing this for the past 12 years and I didn't like it. And thanks for watching, and please come back.